Hello, this video is to help you as a student get ready for your first Visiagora class. Firstly, you'll need to use Google Chrome. Google is used because it has the best compatibility with the Visiagora platform. You can do this by downloading Google Chrome from the official website www.google.com/Chrome. Download it and install it with the instructions given. Next, you should have already received the website link to Visiagora in your email. Check your email and click on the link to take you to the website. You may need to copy and paste this link into your address bar. If you've already received it, you can log in at https://visiagora.live-online-classes.com. Once on the website, you'll be able to log in by using your username and password that was sent to you in the same email. Type in the username and password and click Sign In to get to your student dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you will see your upcoming group classes. You will already have been enrolled into every class for your course. You might want to communicate with your teacher about something before your class. You can do this by clicking on Message just under the teacher's avatar. You can write a simple message to the teacher and it will then appear in their inbox. You can also attach files if need be. As a courtesy, you should write to your teacher if you're ever going to be absent for a class. If they reply to you, you'll have a notification appear in your inbox here on the screen. If you click on this mail icon, you'll enter the direct messaging page where you can check your inbox to see if you have any messages. You can also click on the message and reply to it if you wish. Once your class is ready to start, you can click Enter Class on your dashboard. You can connect up to 5 minutes before the class starts. When you've clicked on Enter Class, you'll be taken through a very quick technical onboarding that will verify that your settings for your webcam, microphone and sound are correct. Ensure you complete the onboarding and check your settings carefully, especially for the first class. Do this by clicking Start Tests, which will check your browser, microphone and camera. You may need to click Allow on your browser to use this equipment. Once this is done, click Next. On this page, you can preview your webcam and your microphone. You can even select another webcam or microphone if you need to. If both pieces of equipment are working successfully, ensure you check both check boxes to confirm they are working and then click Enter Class. Finally, now you've joined the class, click Connect Video. Congratulations! You've joined your very first Visiagora class. Once in the classroom, you will immediately notice a few things. Firstly, when you enter the class, look to your left. You'll see your video stream. On your video stream, you'll have 2 green icons at the bottom that allow you to enable or disable your webcam and your microphone during the class. Additionally, on the top right of your stream, you can see an audio indicator that shows that you're transmitting sound through your microphone. Next to that is a connection indicator that shows you your call quality. Green is good, orange is medium or slow, and red is very slow. Just above this stream window are 2 tabs that allow you to switch between the video and the chat modes in the classroom. You'll receive a little notification on the chat box if you have any messages waiting for you, and this ensures you don't miss anything during the class. Looking over to the right, you can see that you have the main section of the classroom, the virtual whiteboard. The virtual whiteboard is a fully interactive space where you'll be able to draw, write and annotate on the screen. The teacher will typically use materials during the class that you can write on and interact with using this space. To do this, you will want to become familiar with the whiteboard tools. These tools are very easy to use and can be accessed in the bottom left-hand corner of the virtual whiteboard section by clicking on the blue pencil button. A few notable tools include the pencil tool, the text tool, the shapes tool, and also the download page tool. This download page tool allows you to keep a PDF of the current page you're looking at, complete with all the annotations used during the lesson. Once you're at the end of the lesson, you can simply click Leave Classroom, and that's in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you out of the class and to the next page, where you can leave some feedback for the lesson that you've just had. On this post-class page, you can leave feedback in the form of a star score on both the teacher's performance and also the technical performance of the classroom. If you wish, you can leave some comments regarding the class with your teacher. Once you've written and chosen your rating, click Send Feedback and you will return to your student dashboard. You can easily review your lesson by going to Past Classes on your dashboard. Here you can see each of the classes that you had with your teacher, and even revisit the lesson that you had, including all the whiteboard material and annotations. And that's it! This video has showed you the main aspects of entering a classroom, plus how to use the classroom tools and give feedback afterwards. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you enjoy your next Visiagora class.